In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order in Shoppingcart. Many of us rely on online shopping for convenience, and keeping track of our orders is essential. Today, I'll guide you through the steps on how to check your order smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your Instagram account. Open your preferred web browser or Instagram app on your smartphone and log into your account if you haven't done so already. It's important to use the account associated with your shopping cart activity to ensure you're accessing the right information. Once you're successfully logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Usually, you can find this in the bottom right corner of the screen on mobile apps or in the top right area if you're using a desktop. Accessing your profile is the key to navigating through your account and finding your personal settings and activities. Next, look for the bag icon within your profile. This icon typically represents your shopping activity, and clicking on it will direct you to the section where all your past and current orders are stored. Think of this as your digital shopping basket, providing you a comprehensive overview of everything you've purchased. After clicking on the bag icon, the next step is to find and click on the Your Account section. This area holds personal information and preferences related to your shopping cart activities. It's like the backbone of your online shopping experience, including your orders, payment methods, and more. Finally, once you're in your account, you'll want to direct your attention to the Shopping Activity tab. By clicking on this, you'll gain access to a detailed list of all your transactions. This is where magic happens, as it will show you a breakdown of your purchases, statuses like shipping progress, and any expected delivery dates. It's a virtual logbook of your shopping adventures, offering transparency and peace of mind. Following these steps will ensure you can find and track your order in Shoppingcart without any hassle. Remember, practicing these steps regularly will help you get more comfortable navigating through your orders. Online shopping should be a seamless experience, and by keeping tabs on your orders, you can enjoy it that much more. I hope you found this guide helpful, and it makes your order tracking in Shoppingcart a breeze. Remember to leave any questions in the comments, and don't hesitate to share this with others who might need a hand with their online shopping journey.